Is this thing on? Hello? I think it's on. Hey there, everybody. Today I'm just doing sort of a nice, calm, quiet, collected vlog today. I'm basically just sitting in my bedroom at the moment. I just wanted to do a nice, quiet and relaxed video for you guys. I know a lot of people have been requesting a house tour of my house that I live in, but I don't know what that bit was, but I could literally go on forever doing that. I could just non-stop. I could just keep going on and on about random stuff forever in different characters, because you know that's just me. I just get all these crazy characters in my head. What am I doing? Let's go have some lunch, shall we? I threw it on the ground. So I'm gonna have this this little thing of Velveeta here for lunch. Check that out. What? Yeah, I'm gonna have Velveeta. You got a problem with that? Why? What did you want to have?
Well, I have no idea.
Where are you anyway?
What?
Start waving your arms around so I can see you. There you go. We see him. There's his arm right there. And I was thinking, hey, this could be a microwave meals video, right?
Yeah, no.
No, it's not. Because even though you can make it in the microwave, you have to add water. There's actually some amount of work involved rather than just slapping it in the microwave. So, not gonna count it.
Literally all you have to do is add water.
And then put it in the microwave. That's way too much work.
So, do you want to make pizza? Never mind. They're really tiny and they're not, so would you eat a...
What's this? What's the white stuff?
It's necessary for boiling.
Ugh, that's gross.
No, let's see.
Well, I'm gonna cook this up and eat it.
It says
I've had these a million times before. They're really good, but they are really small. So I'm gonna eat this, and then probably some of whatever Calvin also eats, so. Thumbnail. Microwaving my meal. Waiting for it to cook. It's working on it. Calvin, you got your first baseball practice today. You excited?
Yeah. No, I'm not.
He's really nervous. He's probably gonna puke.
I'm joking. No,
you remember last year when I was driving, so I could get hours in, so I could get my driver's license, you know, driver's ed stuff. Last year, around this time, it was probably like a month later than this. I don't know, roughly around this time, when I was in driver's ed. I drove Calvin to practice a couple of times with Nanny, and Calvin threw up every time without fail. You.
You want a pizza?
Sure. Of course, I'll eat pizza if you make it. Only if you don't want it, though. Even only if you don't want it. Don't eat too much pizza, though, because that's what you threw up on every time was pizza.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
No.
It was pizza. Maybe you should. Lel. Okay, now we get to grab this cheese packet here. Where do we tear this from? Come on. Yeah. It doesn't want to open. Piece of garbage. Let me grab scissors. Okay, scissors now. Just cut off the corner there. And then squeeze that stuff in. Yumbo. I'm alright. I feel like I need one of those toothpaste squeezers to get it all out. Yummy. Now let's stir this greasy pig up. That smells really good. Okay. I'm gonna eat this scrumdiddlyumptious bowl here, and then I don't know. So we'll see it later probably. Get a life, would you? Come on. What's up, kitty cat? Both of you laying there, huh? Well, it's time for me to go to work. Oh boy, what's going on with that hair? I'll fix it later. But yeah, I'm leaving to go to work. It's actually nice and sunny out. Well, I shouldn't say it's not. It's sunny out. It's not nice out. It's sunny out. I'm leaving to go to work, and I'm trying on my camera holster here. Let's see how it feels for the day. I have no idea if I'm gonna like it or not. But yeah, so I'm leaving now. Actually, I'm leaving a little bit later than I normally would. Okay, so I'm home now. And after testing out my little side pouch here, I've run into a problem. See, the way it's strapped on, it wiggles back and forth too much. And I don't like that. See, like just even like walking, it's not as bad when the camera's not in it, but when the camera's in it, like walking around, it just wiggles and wobbles, okay? Bad. Don't like it. And also, I know exactly why it's like that. It's because there's so much room here when you're, even when you buckle this down, right? This isn't a tight strap. It's really loose and, you know, obnoxious. Calvin, your phone's ringing. Oh, it's Mom. Mom's calling Calvin. Yeah, so anyway.
Hello?
It's really obnoxious, so I'm gonna try and fix that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and fix it real quick. So, I'm gonna open it up, and then get out your blade, and you want to come back to this edge here. Let's just get in there. Okay, I can make it bigger if I want to. And then let's make sure, let's kind of line up our cut on this side. Let's go in there.
Hey, do you guys know what happened to that pair of that multi-tool that was in the bathroom?
Perfect. See this here, this hole here now? That's where my belt's gonna go through. See? So, I have this hole in it now here. See that? And now, that shouldn't, unless you really yank on it, it shouldn't rip any further. But even if it does, it's not going to matter because it should. It's not going to matter. It's not going to matter. Even if it rips, it doesn't matter. So let me just unclip my belt. You can get the belt buckle, slide in here like that. Right out the other side. Check, and we'll zip it up. Look at that. Look how little it wiggles now. Perfect. Worked exactly how I thought it would. Calvin,
Yes.
how's baseball practice?
Great.
It was Calvin's first baseball practice today.
Just swell, my.
Or tryouts, I guess, right? Technically it's tryouts. He's been home for 20 minutes. Already back to the video games. So, that's how his sports career is going, apparently. Bing! Still working on that. Still working on that point stuff in the background bit. But, it's getting close to dinner time, okay? And I'm actually hungry, but I don't think we're having dinner anytime soon. What can I have for a snack, you might be wondering? Here's what I do when I want kind of a snack, but I don't want a snack because I know we're gonna eat dinner soon. I like to make chocolate milk. So, what is the best kind of chocolate milk? The Nestle Quick Syrup. I think it's the best kind. Now, I don't have any specific measurements to the ratio of milk to syrup, but you just kind of pour it in, see how it tastes. Perfect, perfect. Let's grab our syrup. Pour this in. We don't always get the syrup because it's more expensive than getting the let me just show you. Where are you, feller? Nesquik. Come here, buddy. Nesquik, quick. Oh, where are you? Aha! Here we are. It's more expensive to get this small thing of syrup than it is to get this massive jug of powder. The powder's not bad. The powder for a long time was my favorite, was Nestle powder, but then we tried this Nestle syrup, and that became my new favorite. Let me know if we should do a chocolate milk taste test video. I've been wanting to do that for a while, actually, because you know me, I'm a big fan of Yup milk, chocolate and vanilla. But if you want to do a chocolate milk taste test, let me know if anybody watches. So yeah, so you just pour in a basic amount, stir it up, taste it. Oh, that's perfect right there. I don't know, again, I have no idea how much of each I put in, but you just kind of eyeball it and then it's perfect. So that's how you make the perfect cup of chocolate milk. In case anyone was ever wondering, I don't think anybody was. Do you two want to go outside? Is that what you're doing over there? Huh? Yeah, you want to go out. Come on, you can go out. It's a bit brisk outside. So tomorrow they are predicting a massive snowstorm tomorrow and into Wednesday. Most places are canceling school already. I don't know what me and Calvin are going to have for tomorrow, but probably gonna have everything, both of our classes for tomorrow and today canceled. So I mean tomorrow and Wednesday. What am I saying? I'm all over the place. But it's cold out, so I'm gonna go back inside and enjoy my chocolate milk. Calvin, what's the channel name you want me to check out?
Zombie Go Boom.
Zombie Go Boom. Calvin's been trying to get me to check these fools out, and I said, no, those fools are whack. Dead. So I haven't checked them out yet. But Calvin really wants me to. Maybe I will. So anyway,
Let me suggest a video.
what video?
I think it's still the newest one on the channel. Hang on 1 second.
So anyway,
Oh yeah,
so
the Wolverine claws.
the Wolverine Claw video on Zombie Go Boom. So maybe I'll check it out, maybe I won't. I probably won't.
You're such a jerk. Why don't you film your reaction to it?
Maybe I will, maybe I won't, probably won't. So tomorrow is definitely going to be a snow day. It's going to snow quite a bit, so we'll update you on the storm. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you tomorrow. Leave a like if you liked it. I'm using that too much. It's somebody else's outro. I'm using it way too much, but I kind of like it. Do you like it?